how do you apply changes in Codex? So if Codex suggested changes in your code base, you can simply run the Codex apply command. So for example, if you're using the CLI or the command line of Codex, you'll simply open up the PowerShell in your current project or the terminal and run the following command, which is codex space apply. And once you run this command, it will apply the changes. And if you're using the Codex desktop app, so if you run a command in the app after Codex completes the task, it typically shows you a diff preview pane, which suggests changes, which is this one here. You can click on the expand to see the changes. And from here, you should see a button to see to undo or apply the changes or reapply them. And once you click on it, it should apply or undo the changes. And once you click on it, it applies the changes to your local file directly. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.